Hi, let's have a quick look at the Caseology Galaxy Watch 20mm strap or watch band. This is called Athlex, and that's kind of it. Let's see. There's nothing else inside. Let's have a quick look. Welcome to the club. We are happy to have you. Really nice message in here and some information which you may find useful. So I'll just put that there. And yeah, this is interesting. It's first time when I see this combination of this rubber material. And you can see it's done with a red kind of band, and then on the other side it's actually a material which feels quite soft, and it might prevent you from sweating. That's how it looks like. The wrist, you have the logo in there, and on the back it just says Caseology, and the other side it's like this. It's very flexible, as you can see. So let's just install it and have a quick look. So I'm gonna just install this. Okay, that's in. Let's do the same with the other side. And that's in position. So it looks quite good, I have to say. Let's see how it feels. Yeah. So that's how it looks like on your wrist. I think it looks nice. It feels comfortable. I wish it was a bit longer. My wrist is quite thick, but I can only use the last hole and have it a bit more relaxed on my hand, because sometimes you slip with the watch and you just wanna you don't want to feel any restraint while slipping. So I think that would be good. Yeah, so there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. I think it's a really lovely watch band or strap, and I think it looks amazing. And by the way, this is the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic 47mm. Thank you for watching.